Hi everyone, welcome to right triangles and the Pythagorean theorem. Notice the diagram, we have a right triangle. Here's our right angle, represented by a box, and across from our right angle is what we call the hypotenuse, which we label as C. The hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle, and it's located across from the right angle. Then you have your legs A and B, which are the other two sides. Next, we have a Pythagorean theorem. We use the Pythagorean theorem to find a side of a missing right triangle. So for example, we have a right triangle with our right angle located. And remember, across from my right angle is my hypotenuse, which we label as C. That's the longest side of the right triangle. And A and B are our legs. So our Pythagorean theorem states a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. And remember, we use Pythagorean theorem to find a length of a missing side of a right triangle. Let's look at an example. So we have right triangle ABC, notice our right angle, and I have legs 7 and 8, and I'm looking for the length of AB, which is represented as C, which is my hypotenuse. So we input these values into the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So our legs, which are 8 squared plus 7 squared, is equal to c squared. We're finding the length of the hypotenuse. 64 plus 49 is equal to c squared. 113 is equal to c squared. Take the square root of both sides. C is equal to radical 113. So again, to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, you have to have a right triangle. A and B are the legs, and C is the hypotenuse, which is located across from a right angle.